Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling, and today we're getting ready to make some restaurant style teriyaki chicken wings. Listen, I gotta say this right off the bat. I know you guys are gonna look at this video and say, hey, he did not season the chicken wings. Don't forget the key word in this one here is restaurant style. A lot of you guys don't know that when you go out to like these famous, I'll just do that, chicken wing joints. Listen, this is the way they make them. You know what? They just get them nice and crispy. Actually, I got a chance to even check out the process. I don't want to say their name, but listen, as they come out, they already frozen. They let them thaw. When they come out, they drop them in the deep fryer or however they gonna make them. And listen, it's all in the sauce. That's where it's at, folks. So we finna replicate that. And for you guys that's like beginners, you know what? This right here is a good way to get your feet wet and right here, build up your confidence. So with that being said, you guys, let's just go ahead and break right into this video. Now we'll go over some of the ingredients. As you can see, it's not a whole lot of ingredients. These right here, this is what makes the teriyaki sauce. You just saw the soy sauce, we got honey, and then right here, you got your spices right here. This will be your ground ginger and your garlic powder. I put them both in the same bowl. And then right here, we got our cornstarch. This right here is gonna be what we use to make our cornstarch, our slurry. Then we got brown sugar. Again, those 4 bowls right there, that's for your teriyaki sauce. And then of course, you gotta have your chicken wings. Those are flats and drumettes. Now, I'm using my my Philips TurboStar air fryer. You can make these in the oven. You can do these any kind of way you wanna do them, or you can, deep fry them. If you go to a restaurant, deep frying is the way they're gonna do them. That's the most popular way. But here, my tool of choice today, again, is my Philips TurboStar air fryer. Listen, I didn't put no seasoning on there as I stated in the intro. This is just so we can do them and replicate the same way they do at the big restaurants. Like the fast food chains also, especially the fast food chains, and this is the way they do. They don't season them because you don't want your chicken wings to go ahead and take over that flavor of the seasoning, because it's all about the sauce. Now, after they come out, they nice and crispy and hot. So this, I just wanted to just show you guys, how they do it. I don't want to say none of the names. I've already said that I had a chance to, actually watch the process. And after watching the process, I was just amazed. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna go back and replicate it myself. Again, no seasoning on the wings. We just want to go ahead and get them nice and crispy and get them done. And the focus on this is, making the teriyaki sauce. And of course, we're making teriyaki wings. So we're gonna go ahead, get your pot or a saucepan. You want to go ahead and add 1 cup of water. Then you want to add your soy sauce. So really, what you want to do is just add everything except for your cornstarch slurry. You just want to put it all in the pot, and then we want to bring it to a boil. Here's a little suggestion. How, if you can look, you see I use silicone utensils. Even my whisk right there is coated with silicone. It's some sort of silicone whisk. You want to use that. That way you don't scrape the bottom of your pots, your pans, and things of that nature. So as you can see, once it comes to a boil, you just want to make sure it's completely mixed. After that, your cornstarch, that was 2 tablespoons. Then you want to go ahead and add your cornstarch to some cold water. You want to add 4 tablespoons of that. You want to mix that up, get that blended together nicely, and then we're going to add it to our teriyaki sauce. Now this is the thickening agent. This right here is key. Now you want to keep it moving, and as you keep it moving, you're going to watch it. It's going to be almost like magic. Watch how quick it just thickens up. Pour that in there. I keep it moving. Look at it. You can see, look, it's starting to thicken up already. I usually turn off the heat right here and just let it, use the heat that's already inside of the ingredients and in the pot. And that way, look, now you can tell it's starting to thicken up. The longer you cook it under that heat, the thicker it'll get. It can almost turn into something like a caramel, but we don't want that. You just want a certain consistency, and that's really up to you. And you know what? We coating these wings, so you don't want it too thick. You want it to just be a nice thickness, a nice consistency, and then we just add them to a bowl, and then we toss them. Super easy. It doesn't make a difference whether we making, buffalo wings, lemon pepper wings, or teriyaki sauce, or teriyaki wings. This is how you do it. Just pour it in there, nice and hot, and then we toss it, and then boom, we got chicken teriyaki wings. Now, after you get them coated, And then it's just time to plate. You can do it any kind of way you want to. Most of us probably won't be making these, you know, for no type of thumbnail. So when you just, hey, listen, when they hot like that, you know what? Put them on your, put them on a plate. Get you some dipping sauce if that's what you like, and then go ahead and just pop them in your mouth. Well, right now we just made restaurant-style teriyaki chicken wings. Boom. So tell me what you guys think about that there. Super easy, simple, and I know some of you guys are gonna say right off the bat, hey, he did not season the wings. But like I told you guys in the intro, and I'm telling you guys, you know, right now, again, this is the way they make it. You don't know it, but we spending our money, and this is the way we doing it. We want to taste the sauce, right? So if you season the chicken, you know what? It absorbs that seasoning and it might overpower, you know, the seasoning. So we want to make teriyaki sauce. We want to taste teriyaki wings. We don't season the teriyaki. The emphasis on the sauce. You want buffalo sauce? You want buffalo wings? You got it? That's how it works. So don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you think about this video, and tell me. I want you guys to try it, and after you try it, tell me, isn't it just the same as when you go out and spend your money, you know, and do it like that. So if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and take the time to just say, hey, welcome to my channel. You know what? Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, you guys, I'm out. Peace.